Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most stylish collection of crochet neck warmer designs, flowering neck warmer designs also in front of you. Different color designs, ideas you can see. So dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet neck warmer designs and other materials, crochet women cap shawl, caplets, puncher designs, shawls, scarf designs, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, scarter dresses also, leg warmers, socks designs, crochet woman cap designs, baby cap designs, baby frock designs, jacket designs, circular jacket designs, and crochet baby shoes designs, sandal slipper designs also. Crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also. So dear friends, crochet feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs. Top trendy and most stylish collection. You can wear this amazing collection with match your shirts and dresses, jewelry also. Try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next.